So I am finished painting the inside of the unit. Wasn't bad. You know, I'm not a painter, but it turned out good. It turned out real good. So I'm about to start. Once it dries, we'll start hanging these letters up. We got some stuff to put in here, help her organize everything. But it's in here, it's done. She got a nice storage unit now. Took me a minute. Been getting my hog on. You know, I'm not a painter, but I'm down. This actually was pretty easy. Just that gun I was having issues with, I actually rolled the rest of it. Took me way less time to do that. So that's what I did. Just want to give you a small update on this unit. So finished it up. This is a storage unit. 20-foot high cube. 20-foot high cube storage unit. Which is actually a 40-foot high cube because I cut it in half. And put a cap on it. Put a commercial door on the end of it, and she's super pleased. And I sold her this unit for, just so those who want to ask for the cap, I didn't have to put the roll-up door on. So this unit actually was sold for, I believe it was $3,500 with me painting it, putting the door on it, and then putting the cap on the end and pushing it to the building. So that was $3,500. So for the have a high cube. So just so you know, them type of numbers that you can get out of those. It could be more, depends on what all you're doing. I would say if you had to have the roll-up door and the man door on there, I would say knocking on $4,000, just because of the cost of the unit, the cost of the roll-up door. So been over here doing a couple things too. I had to finish my Audi, and I had a couple more, another self-tapper to put in it. Did that. Been working on the trailer. Got a couple more deals. I actually got to go buy some lifting eyes to put 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put 4 more lifting eyes on there, so when I'm hauling things, I actually can put 2 and 2. You know, like if it's a 8-foot sheet and 8-foot sheet, I can have 2 scraps on that, 2 scraps on that one, no problem. Last time I hauled it, I had to rig something up. I had 2 in the front, but the back I had to kind of figure something out. So just wanted to give you an update on that. So I'm gonna try to do what I can do today. A little tired, just haven't been sleeping that good, been having a lot on my mind, but I'm trying to get what I can get done right now. So today, this is what we're doing. Out here working at the headquarters, getting what I can get done on the cafe, finishing up the storage unit. So hope everybody having a good day. Like I say, I can't wait till this is done, y'all. Like, I can't lie. So I can come up here and sit under the patio, you know, and drink some coffee, put one in the wind, and just say, hey, we did it. You know what I mean? So I've been on this, man. Not done yet. Like I said, I gotta do this deck, so it's about to get ready to jump right back on the grind. Hopefully, I got to deal with this reclaimed wood I can use. So I'm trying to utilize what I got before having to go spend some more and more money. So my goal is to do that. I actually got a person I'm supposed to be talking to tomorrow. So hopefully things work out right. I have it framed tomorrow, or probably, and then get the electrical done, and then I'll work on the next stage. So just giving y'all a small update how we getting our hog on today. Hopefully y'all doing good. Stay blessed. HogOn.